Hey guys, Javen here. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the tubular haircut and how you should grow it out. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. So the tubular haircut in all its glory is basically short sides and short lower back, while leaving the top hair long. So what I mean when I say the side hair is short is the side hair you see here and here. These are not actually hair that grows from my side hair. It grows from the top of my hair which falls to the sides. This hair, it's not growing from my side here. It's actually growing from the top, basically on the top left of my head, and it's so long that it just falls to the sides. Same thing on the right side as well. So over here, my side over here is short, and this is actually on the top right of my scalp which falls to the side. Same thing at the back as well. So the lower back hair is short. However, the top back is also the same thing as my sides. It's basically from the top hair, the top back, this falls to the side. Here is short, here is long, falls down. So the disparity between the length between your top hair and the side hair is what makes you the tubular haircut. So that's basically all there is to it. So how do you grow this out if, let's say, you have an undercut? I'm going to show you some pictures over here when I was younger. Over here is one photo of me when I was like 10, I would think, or maybe younger. Yep, I don't know if you can see, but my hair over here is short. The thing about Asian hair is when it's short like this, it just sticks to the side. So for example, when my hair over here grows out, it will just stick to the side like a porcupine. If this grows out any longer, everything will just stick to the side and stick to the top in all directions. However, when your hair is long enough, gravity will actually allow it to just move downwards because it's so long that it just falls downwards. So that's the key in a tubular haircut, to grow your hair long enough so that it falls down. In this hairstyle, you kind of want to achieve a bow kind of look. So over here, the length, as well as over here, all the way to the back. You kind of want it to be around the same length. However, my bangs over here, I kind of like it longer. So as you can see, it goes past my eye. However, usually people just make it the same length as well. For me, I just personally prefer it longer and part it to the side like so. If your hair fringe is short, for example, if I don't even have hair fringe, it does not look like a tubular haircut, right? So yeah, hair fringe makes the tubular haircut. As I was saying, keep growing the top hair while shaving the sides and the back hair. But for the back as well, you have to make sure that you don't shave up too high. You want to shave about half length of your scalp. So somewhere here, like slightly below the skull where it dips down. For my skull, it dips down around here. So I shave it somewhere here. And then my hair above here, it's basically hair that's growing long. And sides, it's all short all the way to the side here, as you can see. So on average, our hair only grows about half an inch a month. So it might take a while if your hair is especially short. Just be patient. If your hair is really short to begin with, it might actually take you 6 to 8 months to grow it to this length. But as long as you take care of your hair and you get it long to this length, I assure you that you look great, and then people will be like, whoa, that's a K-pop idol. So the last thing on how you should grow this hairstyle out is the side hair. It all depends on how long you want it. I like it to be as short as possible like so. However, if you want it a bit longer, it works as well, as long as you do the proper fading. For me, I like it all the same length over here, short length, and then the top is just long. To summarize the entire video, how you should grow the tubular haircut is to keep growing your top hair while shaving the sides and lower back. As your top hair gets longer and longer, you can slowly start making it like a shape of the tubular hairstyle. Just tell your barber that you're growing your hair out and just want to shave the sides so they don't really touch the top. They might use thinning shears to thin the bulk of your hair and just to make it healthy. However, you don't want to trim the length too much because the key is to keep growing the length, and as you know, it takes time for hair to grow. Let me know how this works for you. If you like this video, let me know down in the comments below, and check back next time.